Make a great choice today with
the 2026 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.